This is my Love Your Gut Symbiotic. It's wonderful for gut health and I use it every single morning in my smoothie, just a teaspoon a day, but you can also have it without food if you prefer. My Love Your Gut Symbiotic is my favorite thing for gut health. It's really good for digestive health, especially if you feel bloated. It's really good for that too. It's a probiotic with 20 billion probiotics, a prebiotic, a digestive enzyme, and it has lots of dietary fibre, so really good for regulation as well. I personally love this because it really helps with bloating. I wake up with a flat tummy and normally by lunchtime you're getting really bloated, but with this you don't. You still have that flat tummy all throughout the day. It's Lee from Supercharged Food. Thank you for listening and I'll see you soon.